Hi, I'm Jamie Scott. I'm the Programme Leader for the Art of Visual Effects at Futureworks in Manchester. The VFX industry and creative media industries are going through quite a bit of a change at the moment, particularly with introduction of AI and more on-set visual effects being used and special effects being incorporated back into production. Part of that is virtual production. Part of this comes from funding that we've received. So we've got a capital bid that we put forward in terms of what technology we would actually want to incorporate into our teaching, and we won that bid, which was amazing. Having the system installed was a great thing for us. We never thought we'd ever have a LED volume installed. We did teach virtual production previously, but without a volume, so just filming against a green screen. It's obviously been a dream to have an LED volume installed, and it's going to kind of really revolutionise how we teach and actually our graduate outcomes. We feel that actually there can be more job opportunities for our graduates if they can learn this technology. So the system we've got here, which is kind of more live tracking, is going to be a new technology to us, and it's something obviously we are really kind of keen to expand our teaching knowledge of. Our primary focus for use of this will be obviously with the Art of Visual Effects programme. Our students will get to know this from a background software, creating assets in Unreal Engine and loading them into the system, and then actually working with actors on set, and also the technical side of actually how the system works. Beyond that, we hope to get our BA Hons independent filmmaking students working with this, as it has become a technology which is being utilised by independent filmmakers, and also within our editing for TV. Our editing for TV students have a module creating short films. I'm working with our art and design department who run games courses to actually work with the game students to build environments as well. So we have them building environments for our virtual production stage. So yeah, working with Target 3D, it's been a seamless system right from the beginning, right from the actual quoting for what we needed and actually making adjustments on the fly, the installation process where we were informed every step of the way. If we needed to kind of adjust anything, everything was no problem at all. So yeah, they've been just seamless process essentially.